just the other day, I had a friend call me, and he told me he went to bed at night, everything was good, got up the next day, and his car wouldn't start. His battery was dead. And I asked him, I said, well, was it okay the day before? He said, oh yeah, started a couple times, didn't have any problems. The next morning, it was dead. There he was stuck, had to get a ride, had to figure out how to get to work. But it just kind of made me think a little bit about the world of battery monitoring. And, how are people who have problems bigger than just getting to work, i.e. data centers, utilities, telecoms, and or all industries who use batteries, which really everyone uses batteries. Batteries are everywhere. And how are they managing their batteries, and how do they not wake up the next morning with a dead battery? Well, the only way to do that, and the only thing that's available to them is, fortunately, battery monitoring systems that are now real good, real smart, very proactive, very predictive about any type of failure that would occur before the battery would be failed, before the i.e. car is dead. So for them, battery monitoring exists at the battery level. The battery, you can monitor the voltage, the temperature. They do internal resistance tests. The systems that are out there now test your batteries every single day, 24 hours a day. You, as the individual who's responsible for those batteries, will never have a dead car when you wake up in the morning. When you go to bed at night, your systems are being monitored. You'll get notices, you'll get warnings, you'll be told when there's a problem. The trend of battery monitoring really nowadays is some industries are specifying it in all jobs, not just half, not just some, 100%. Data centers, utilities have actually, now their utilities are trying to meet the NERC requirements. The NERC requirements are telling them, you haven't been doing a very good job. You need to start managing and monitoring your batteries, testing them on a regular basis. Hence, this is where the battery management systems come into place. And those are, again, readily available for full testability of your battery systems. The fact is, the industry that used to be the worst at taking care of itself, i.e. batteries, battery maintenance, and battery uptime, is now one of the best, because the technologies are out there that you should never, ever in the history of your battery systems have a downtime because of battery failure, because all the technology is out there to keep that from ever happening. If there's anything you ever need in regard to battery management, battery monitoring, call your good friends at Predictive Technology, and they will absolutely be able to take care of you.